Hello, and welcome to Andrew Broussard Watercolors. Meeden Art sent me this lightweight, packable, portable, plein air easel for me to use and review. Before we look at assembly and components, I have an affiliate code that you can use for 10% off at meeden.com. The code is my first name, which is Andrew. First, we have this adjustable tripod. This tripod originally comes with an adapter that lets you connect cameras. After removing the adapter, you can use this lever right here in order to attach the top part of the plein air easel. This tripod has multiple ways to adjust the angle and the height. This lever right here helps adjust the one angle. This knob right here adjusts this angle. This knob allows us to rotate on this axis. This last knob allows us to adjust the height. Here is the tripod opened up to its fullest against a fence that is approximately 6 feet tall. Here are our next two components. We have a tray and a surface for you to attach your paper or to put a block of watercolor paper or drawing paper. The tray can slide into the surface for easy portability. All right, I'm going to assemble it and hopefully the focus doesn't go out. We're going to drop the tray down from the top. The back of the tray eventually friction fits with gravity against those two legs. Underneath, we take this foldy part, we set that along the center. Okay, and that prevents the tray from sagging. The top portion, like mentioned before, slides into a little opening in the top. You're going to need to press this lever, and that lever allows you to slide that in and then seal it into place. Here's the part that slides into the tripod. This is the back of the top surface. Here's the easel fully assembled at its highest points, right next to a 6-foot tall fence. Here is the easel at its absolute smallest, a small camping stool for comparison. This would be a great orientation for somebody laying at the beach on a beach towel or at a park on a blanket. Here's the height that I plan on experimenting with today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And once again, if you want 10% off, use code Andrew at meedenart.com. Thank you and have a great day.